Hello everyone, this reading is for the zodiac sign Leos. Hi, I hope you all are happy, healthy, fine. And if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for Vastu session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to purchase energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. This is the reading for the month of July 2021. And for the zodiac sign Leos, okay, and it's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, let me fix this out. So three cards will be of career, three cards will be of relationship. Okay, let's see, then we'll see oracle cards. I hope you like this reading. If it doesn't resonate, then kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so yeah, career for Leos. Career. Again, I am going to shuffle the cards. Career. Okay. I just hope that this is visible to you guys. Okay, I'm just making sure about it. Okay, relationship. Let's see, relationship. Wow, relationship. Okay, so guys, Leos, in the month of July 2021, the career life will be that you are going to manifest something. A wish fulfillment is going to happen in your career life. Okay, something is going to get manifested. Whatever you were hoping, believing for so long, those wishes are going to get fulfilled soon. Okay, maybe in the first 10 days of July mostly. Okay, if not, it may be in the month of July overall. Okay, but a wish is going to get fulfilled related to your career life. Okay, maybe a major financial breakthrough is coming, major financial abundance is coming, major projects are coming, major job you are happening, or you might be expanding your business into your career life. Okay, so it can be anything, but yeah, major breakthroughs are coming in the month of July 2021 for you in your career life, which is way too good, guys. You are going to be very much practical in the month of July when it comes to your decision making, especially from 11th of July to 20th of July. Okay, you will be very practical. If you were emotional in the past when it comes to decision making, now you are going to gain your power back, and you are going to be very practical when it comes to decision making, or when it comes to taking decisions related to your career life. Okay, so yes, you want to be very much independent. Okay, you want to gain an independent financial freedom in your life. Okay, maybe it will be coming true. The one wish is going to come true in the month of July, definitely, but the financial, if you are thinking about having a major breakthrough financially and major established career in your life, okay, it is starting. That divine timing is starting for you in the month of July. Okay, so yeah, you are going to be starting when it comes to your financial breakthroughs. Wait guys, let me sit properly. Okay, so yeah, you are going to gain financial freedom very soon, maybe within next 9 days, or maybe within, let's say, within this month in July. You will gain a financial freedom very soon, but it will to maintain that established business or job, or whatever your you want financial independence, that you are going to get through within next 9 days to 9 weeks. Okay, like within next 9 weeks you will have established business, established career, established finances. Like this year would be very good for you. Your major wish fulfillment is going to come true in the year of 2021 for sure. Within next 1 year your life is about to change completely, because I am a Leo. That's why I am telling you that divine timing is on the horizon. Whatever blessings you were waiting for, whatever breakthroughs you were waiting for, those are about to happen in your life. Okay, those breakthroughs are about to come through in within next 1 year for sure. Okay, but July will be the month for the beginning of the miracles and blessings and breakthroughs, financial breakthroughs. Okay, so this is huge, very 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 huge. Okay guys, okay, when it comes to your relationship, you're going to be going through some higher level of vibrational level of spirituality. You are reaching to a higher step of spirituality, which is way too good. You are going to be away from devil energy, like whosoever was manipulative, whosoever was sneaky energy, manipulative energy, devil energy, negative energy. Okay, in relationship you are going to get away from sneaky energy. You are going to cut off all the ties in the month of July when it comes to your negative energy, devil energy, sneaky energy, manipulative energy. You are going to stay away. Okay, and that karmic wheel, karmic relationship, karmic problems are coming to an end in the month of July. Okay, you are going to release a lot of burden when it comes to your relationship front. If you are carrying a lot of relationship headaches, baggage and issues, carrying a lot of relationship issues by yourself, then you are going to release it in the month of July. Okay, because major breakthroughs are happening, and for sure you are going to stay away from karmic relationship, karmic people, negative people, narcissistic people. Okay, you are going to release the burden. You are going to stay away and separated. I mean, this chapter of this relationship might be coming to an end if you are dealing with any karmic relationship, either in your family, either your spouse, either your boyfriend. Okay, so things are going to come to an end for sure in the month of July. Okay, if you are dealing with karmic relationship or narcissistic person, okay, who have an insecurity issues. Okay, so yeah, those are the things, which is very good. July will be the month of releasing bad things and starting something new. A new beginning is starting for you in the month of August, because July will be the month of ending and wrapping up a lot of things and situations around, which is way too good. Let's see what is your purpose, what you should go for in the month of July. July, you will be very sensitive, very much emotional. Be careful. Take decisions from your heart, not your take decisions from your mind, not your heart. Be practical. Okay, you are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. You need to be practical, Leos. I'm telling you that. Stop being a stupid fool or taking decisions from heart. Okay, don't be like that. Be practical with your decisions. You are free to do whatever you choose. July will be the month for freedom. You are going to free yourself from a lot of burdens, tensions, problems, issues, okay, in your life, which is very good. You have you can become an author, vlogger, or you can start writing about yourself. Okay, you might be dealing with a lot of books you might be reading, or you might be vlogging, or you might be writing a lot of things about yourself or the people around you, which is way too good. Start writing. You might write a book as well. Okay, you can go in the field of books in the month of July. Also, you might be having connections with crystals and gemstones and healing energy. You might be a healer, you might be a tarot reader, you might be a astrologer, you might be a palmistry reader. Okay, I'm very bad at it, guys. Okay, so yeah, you might be dealing with or you might start dealing with crystals in the month of July, which is way too good. Okay, you might start reading, researching and educating yourself related to certain stuff or related to certain subjects in your life, which will help you to gain confidence and clarity into your career, which is way too good, guys. This is perfect. I hope you like this reading, guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, views.